customer experience is one of the key priorities for all organizations globally.
Our customer service management platform is designed to streamline the customer service processes and also to enhance the communication between the business and the customers.
Trust, value, velocity are core values of Mastek. Customer satisfaction and customer excellence has always been a top priority for Mastek. Mastek is a 40-year young company. We have delivered a lot of digital transformation journey across the globe. We are going live with ServiceNow customer service management within Mastek. We are quicker in responding to our customer calls, customer support, and we are able to meet those shorter timelines to deliver effective solutions back to the customers.
It was strategically decided to involve expert services from customer outcomes to drive the implementation following out-of-the-box approach.
Where we really want to transform our clients' experience of working with Mastek, and we want to be true partners in their own transformation journeys. And we believe the ServiceNow partnership that Mastek has is going to play a key role in driving these transformation journeys with our customers.
We at ServiceNow are truly excited about Mastek's vision for customer delight, and we are happy to be the technology enabler to Mastek in achieving the same.
As Mastek, we are building a multi-dimensional relationship with ServiceNow. We are obviously leveraging ServiceNow for internal process automation.
We see tremendous opportunity in taking ServiceNow solutions at the go-to-market level with our customers.
Thank you, Mastek, for this partnership with ServiceNow. We really feel you are the defining partner community which can take your solution on ServiceNow to various other customers globally.